I was suffocating as I couldn't get any oxygen for some time. I couldn't manage for a few seconds without oxygen. Nowadays, a number of people are struggling without oxygen. According to dailies, a number of people have been wandering for oxygen cylinders worth rupees thousands and ten thousands. I am intaking oxygen free of cost. Who all give me the precious oxygen free of cost?
Hi friend, I am Mr. Tree. We trees and plants are the main sources of oxygen that you people intake. Not only oxygen, we provide you more rain and medicines. We trees are used as raw materials for making our pencils and papers. But man destroys our community. Now, nature retaliates in the form of pandemics. To put an end to all these struggles, you need to protect our environment.